Hello guys, my old and my new subscribers, you all are welcome to this channel today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this hair growth oil. It's going to grow your hair very fast. This is ginger and this is rosemary. Rosemary is very good for your hair. Ginger is very good for your hair. This is black pepper, stimulates your hair. Black pepper stimulates your hair. Black pepper remove dandruff. This is canela. Cinnamon is so good. This is moringa. Moringa make your hair to grow very faster. This is turmeric, and this is black seed. This is black seed. It's so good. This is black seed. You put the plastic on the pot, and we have the next thing we have is L'Oreal, the one you use to boil your meat. It makes your hair to soft and grow your hair very faster. This mixture that we are doing here, guys, is very good. You know, I told you I cut my hair. This is the powder for the turmeric. Okay, if you have the fresh one, you use it, but I normally use powder for this. The moringa powder, I am adding it to it. I've added the black seed and the pot. So this is the moringa powder. So if you want to do more oil, you have to mix more. Okay, so I like to do mine once in 2 weeks. Okay, so this oil is so good. It's going to grow your hair. It's going to make your hair not to fall. It's going to make your hair to be having volume. Is so good. This is the black pepper. Black pepper stimulates your hair. Black pepper get rid of dandruff. Black pepper under your hair. If you have a problem on your skull, black pepper help you out of it. This is rosemary. Rosemary is so good for hair growth, guys. You can use the fresh one, you can use the dry one. This is the dry one that I'm using. Rosemary is so good, guys. If you are not using rosemary, what are you waiting for? Even rosemary and moringa alone is good. Even rosemary and cinnamon alone is so good. Guys, you know, I told you we are going to be seeing a lot of things in this channel. A lot of things. This is ginger. I press it just to open it, and I place them inside that way. Okay, ginger is so good for your hair growth. Ginger is very good. This is olive oil. I pour olive oil inside of it this way. Oh my god, guys, this oil, hair growth oil is very good. My old subscribers love you. I love you. I can't stop loving you. My new subscribers, you are always welcome. You are always welcome. You just stay this way, and just that is it, guys. This oil, you are going to love it. I add coconut oil to it and the olive oil. Guys, you are going to love this oil because I need to grow my hair again very fast. So this is flax seed. Flax seed makes your hair to grow very fast. I granted that is the powder one. This is the seed one. Okay, you can decide to put it that way, but it's better to grind it. Guys, this oil is a bundle of miracle. This is coconut oil that I'm adding. This is a bundle of miracle. If I tell you what is this, if you try it out, try it on your hair for 2 weeks, what is that mountain before Zerubbabel is going to put down? He's going to put down anything that is killing your hair. Will make it have volume. I am telling you, just try it. Just try it. So I on my gas and I put it inside. If you don't want to do this, you can put another pot with water and add it in a rubber and just place it inside to be boiling with the heat of the water. Okay, but I always do mine this way. So after some minutes, it will be okay. I'm just going to be leaving it for 15 minutes with a low heat. Low heat. Okay, We need it to be low so that we'll have that ingredients that we're looking for on our hair. Guys, this hair is a bundle of miracle. This oil is a bundle of miracle. I used to do this all the time, but when I cut my hair, I said I had to go back. This hair had to grow very fast. So after 15 minutes, this is it. So I had to step it, place it aside. It's okay this way. Leave it to cool. So now it's cool. You bring out the plate and your zipper. This cloth, I bring it out. I have two, one for this, the other one for that. So I take a tissue paper, I spread it inside of it, and I take a cleaners, a wet cleaners, and put it inside of it. So now I turn it because I don't want any stain on it. I don't want any shaft to follow it. Okay, so I'm going to be squeezing the oil out of it. So let me scrape all the things out of the pot first because I don't want anything to stay back. Guys, this oil is so good. If you want to grow your hair, you want to grow your hair, you want to make your hair grow faster, go for this oil. I'll be bringing a lot of things here in this channel. In this channel is a channel that is good, to a channel to use to help us in every way. We preach the word of God and we teach how to live our lives home, healthy lifestyle, beauty as a Christian, as a person. That is what we teach here. Okay, so everything that is good, you will see it in this channel. Look at the oil, look at the oil. This oil is so good. I'm going to be putting tea tree oil, just 5 drops. If you don't have tea tree oil, don't worry about it. It doesn't really matter. I love tea tree oil for my hair, to stimulate my hair, and I love the smell. So now I am placing it in this wasted cup so that I can be able to bend it. Okay, to put it in the can I used to always put mine. So this can, I bought something with it. I have to remove the back and wash it. Since then I have been using it. It's very good for my hair. This oil is so good. Guys, just try this oil out. You see it have this small cover. I just cover it and done. You see, this one I can use it for 2 weeks because I'm not using it alone, because I'm using it with my daughters. Okay, so that is just it. That is just it, guys. That is just it. So you use it to rub under your hair this way, rub it under, just rub it under. The day I cut my hair, guys, I almost cried. It was a mistake. I was trimming the up. I just used mistake to trim more than I supposed to trim. So I have to trim all of them to be equal again, just to start all over again. So I don't think I will be trimming my hair anymore. I don't think so. I'll not be trimming my hair anymore. It's not necessary. Do you see the way the hair is full and thick? It has volume. It's not weak. This oil will help you. I'll bring a lot of things I use for my hair that is helping my hair to help you too. That is why we are here. This is God's channel that you have to see everything. Okay, so this channel you see every good thing. We don't hide anything for each other. Okay, anything you don't understand, just put it down below. God bless you. God bless you. You see me next time. If it is message or hair, you see me next time. God bless you. Bye bye. Subscribe.